Dave Snyder here. It is the 21st of June, 2014. Oh man, the weather is just unbelievable. I checked it earlier today, and it was nothing here hardly, hardly anything here. Just all of us every evening. This comes back every evening. Man, it's awful. It's cool weather though. See this right here? Okay, check this out. I saved this image earlier, just about a half hour ago or something like that, and I put it over here with the Gulf of Mexico overlay. Hold on a second. Right here. See, I got it pretty well lined there. Good enough. And then I brought up the Gulf of Mexico overlay right there. It's lining up again. See that? Okay. What did I do after that? Oh, and I noticed right here, this part right here, we know how that part goes into China right there, that little peak right there. That shape is in China. So I took this picture over to China, and I lined up this area, pretty close to that area anyways. Over here, where we see it in China. And look at the circle line up. See this? How that right there? That's the area lined up right there in China. The pyramid shape. Okay. And that puts the circle right inside the circle. So it's the same thing, same impact, same. I think it's been this area when it was all together was impacted a lot of times, but that's got to be the same deal right there, same place, something like that. You can see it line up real good. This up here. I mean, for it to fall, for this rest of the circle to fit in, just by lining that up, it just, you can see this right here. It all falls into the same position. Schrodinger, where Schrodinger goes right here. So it just puts another piece of the puzzle together. I don't know. I've got to start keeping track of them sooner or later. I didn't even move the crater at all. The crater's in the same exact place as it was before. All I did was line this up to the borders pretty much, and you've seen how it's pretty close. Florida's in there, pretty close. Close enough. And I just brought that picture up afterwards. Still in the same position as when I put it down. See it? This one, I'm waiting for this one to show itself real good. It's the double one here. See it? It's showing itself right there. I can see it. See it? I see double craters right there. Let me get a different view over here. There it is. Doubles. Gotta be it. It's when you see this kind of stuff, when you see that this fits in there like that, you don't want, now you know why there's earthquakes all over the place in this whole area. Mexico, Central America all the time. Volcanoes. Hurricanes right here. This, like I said, look at that right there. It's not a hurricane maybe. It's probably just a tropical depression or something right now, but look where it is. It's right in that little spot. Look. Trip. pretty good. Okay, that's it. Just want to point that weather pattern out. There's all kinds of cool weather on Wonder Maps right now, though. I definitely, I mean, this area here too is pretty interesting right here. Hold on a second, right here. Definitely interesting. And this one here, nice. Nice circular pattern with a trail. That's an impact, and that's a trail of whatever impacted it, sliding across the ocean floor or something, stopping along the way in a couple of areas, I think. Or hitting separately. It couldn't leave the same print that many times, I don't think. Had to slide. Maybe when the earth was covered with ice is when it made its moves. That's why it leaves the same print. It was ice. We're almost got it figured out. Alright. Later.